Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome back to Melda 242. I am Melda, and today I'm preparing for my family cracked chicken. If you want to see how I achieve this, then I suggest you continue watching. Okay, let's do it. Okay, I'm going to begin with the egg mixture. So I have one large egg. To that, I'm adding some evaporated milk. Now feel free to use the whole milk right out of the refrigerator if you wish. Maggi vegetable cube. These are the little ones, so I'm going to add a half in the eggs, and then I'll put the other half in this plate here for the flour mixture. Just like that. Red pepper flakes. You can always substitute this with black pepper or your favorite spice. This is a secret ingredient. A piece of butter in the eggs. Oh my, try it. Now most people, when they make cracked chicken or fried chicken steaks, it's relatively dry and stalling. This one was juicy. Oh my word. Okay, that was a cup of flour. To that, I'm adding some baking powder. Just a quarter of a teaspoon, a little bit. Next is some cornstarch. Just a little bit of that. A quarter of a teaspoon of that. Red pepper flakes again. This is going to be juicy, succulent, and tender. Delicious. Red parsley flakes. My hubby asked, how did you get it so good? I say, hon, watch the video. He's like, there you go again, hon. Watch the video. All right. Get that mixed up together. That's the flour mixture. Flour, a little bit of baking powder, cornstarch. Now I'm just mixing up the eggs. Egg, evaporated milk, parsley, red pepper flakes. Now I'm adding just a little bit of garlic powder to both the flour mixture as well as the eggs. Okay, now here comes the chicken breast. Now I'm going to tenderize these. Just going to beat them. I'm going to spank them until they are super thin. Okay, flat. This is cracked chicken steaks. I am doing these in one piece. Instead of cutting them up into strips, no, we're just going to have one big piece, like a chicken steak. They're going to be good, juicy and tender. To the eggs, I'm just adding a few drops of this hot sauce. I don't need any more than that. I am afraid of pepper. I don't lie. I'm afraid of spice. Okay, now just take them out of the plastic, and I'm going to add a few drops of lime juice over them. But before I do that, I'm just going to flatten them out a little bit more on this side. Just a few more whack. Just like that. Now, here comes the lime juice. Just press that in afterwards. This is going to be great. This is cracked chicken. Or if you want, you can just call it chicken steaks, fried chicken steaks. Work it. This is delicious. Try this recipe. Just add a little piece of butter into the eggs, a little bit of baking powder and the cornstarch. Makes it nice and delicious. Okay, now it's ready for the egg wash. Okay, into the egg, then the flour, and then I'm going to allow it to rest for a minute or two on this rack. Just to let it set. I have two big pieces. My daughter and I would share one, and my husband gets one for himself. Okay, I don't need a whole one. Look at that. Just like that. Now you don't want to go overboard with the salt, the seasoning. Just add a little bit in it. Just the second one. Now if you want to shake these up into a plastic bag, you can do that also. But I like to feel my meat. I'm sure everything is being coated. Just like that. Okay. That's it. This is cracked chicken. Or fried chicken steaks. Whatever you want to call it. Okay. Into the hot oil. Of course the stove is on medium. You'll know when it's time to turn it. It's gonna be super stiff. Now you're gonna fry these. Allow them to fry evenly on both sides. The meat is not thick, so you don't need a long frying, but you just want to make sure that they're done, cooked. That's the fried green plantains that they're going to be served with. Oh my word, this is a treat here today. Now this can also be served with French fries or peas and rice mashed potatoes, whichever one you want. Work it. This is cracked chicken. I'm just going to rest it on that cooling rack right there. And there you have it. Lunch is served. It's ready. Here is today's menu. Juicy cracked chicken, bean, fried green plantains, served with ranch dressing. Thank you very much for watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment. Share it out. God bless you. God bless you. And I will see you in the next one.